Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to make this super hair growth oil with just few ingredients, and of course an extra ingredient that can help your hair get longer 5 times than the regular oil, and also help your edges to start growing out faster. If this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe and also like this video. Now let's hop right into making this oil. The first oil I'm going to have here is neem seed oil. Now note that there is neem oil, like neem extra oil, and there is neem seed oil. They are both different. Neem seed oil is gotten from the seed of the neem, while neem extra oil is gotten by soaking the leaves of the neem in another carrier oil. This is neem seed oil, and it is very potent in helping to repair the hair, helping to strengthen follicles, and also helping hair loss. Although neem oil may not smell really fine for some people, but if you could overlook the smell, you're definitely going to get the benefit of neem seed oil. It is very, very potent in hair loss. Trust me on this. So for this recipe, I'm going to be having 40 grams of neem seed oil. Next is going to be black seed oil. As we all know, black seed oil is a miracle oil, meaning that there is literally no conditions that black seed oil cannot really solve. But when it comes to hair growth, black seed oil is actually magic. First off, black seed oil is going to actually help blood flow around the scalp, which will actually improve blood flow. Studies have shown that if you massage your scalp with black seed oil at least twice a week, you're going to have evidence of hair growth, especially on your edges. The next oil here is hemp seed oils. Now, the label is saying hemp leaves, but it's actually hemp seed inside the bottle. Now, just like we have neem seed oil and neem leaves oil, that's the same way we have hemp seed oil and hemp leaves oil. The hemp seed oil is gotten from the seeds, while the hemp leaf oil is gotten by soaking the leaves in a particular carrier oil. And hemp is actually a very great choice in making your own oil. The last oil I'm going to be using here is my vitamin E oil. Here I'm using alpha D tocopherol acetate oil. And then after this, I'm just going to stir these oils together and bottle them into my bottle. Notwithstanding, there is a last ingredient, and this last ingredient, if you are able to get it and add to your product, trust me, you're going to make your oils 5 times potent than it is already. This particular ingredient is very much regulated in so many places, but is still much in use. We're talking about the hemp leaf itself, the Indian hemp leaves. Because of its abuse, so many people regulate this particular leaf. But if you can find it and add this into your hair oil or your hair butter, your hair cream, your hair pomade, your hair is going to grow 5 times longer. This is not a rant. This is actually a guarantee. Millions of people have actually attested to this. So the hemp leaves particularly help in hair loss. Like if your hair falls off or if your hair breaks off, these hemp leaves will actually help to strengthen the hair strands and also the hair follicles so that it doesn't fall off. And trust me, most of the time, the reason your hair is not growing fast is because of hair fall or hair breakage. Now, this particular leaf will actually help you grow your hair. Because the leaves are actually regulated, you could go search for the hemp leaves oil. Note that the hemp leaves are different from the hemp seed oil, okay? So search for vendors who have hemp leaf oil. If you're buying the hemp seed oil, it's also fine, but also look for those who have the hemp leaves oil. We usually stock it, but it's most of the time out of stock because the demand is actually high and the supply is scarce. The supply is low because of the scarcity of this oil. So although you may check on us to see if we have this in stock, the link to our website will be in the description box, so you could always check if we have this in stock. But if not, you could search for it, and if you get it, good luck. Our hair oil is ready, and lest I forgot, I used the neem seed oil 40 grams, black seed oil 30 grams, the hemp seed oil 29 grams, and the vitamin E oil 1 gram. I added the leaves QS, so you could add as much as you can or as less as you can. Just leave it in the oil and keep using it till the oil is done, and if it is still remaining, you could add more oils to it. The leaves will still be potent. To use this oil, simply add a few drops onto your palm, massage it onto your hair, focus on the hair strands, and also focus on the scalp. You could also use this for your hair edge, and you could use this every day. The right amount of the hemp leaves to use should not vary more than 5%, so that you do not have headache when you apply them. Also, this hair oil can be used by all ages. It can also be used for the birds, and if you're bald or having alopecia, this might not be a guarantee, but you could give it a try. Now, if you've used something like this before now, let me know in the comment section. And if you're going to try this, also let me know in the comment section. If you have any video requests, please ask in the comment section. And any question is welcome also in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe, also like this video, and thank you for watching today. I'd love to see you in my next video. But until then, take care and have a lovely day.